Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm you Viprajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new upcoming 2021 Mahindra Scorpio SUV. Mahindra has been testing the all-new Scorpio for a couple years now, and we are here to share all the details that we know about the new upcoming Scorpio, starting from design, specification, features, and engine options. First, let's talk about the platform, dimensions, and design. This all-new Mahindra Scorpio will be based on the same platform as the new Mahindra Thar with a traditional body-on-frame construction. In terms of dimensions though, this new Scorpio will be wider and longer than the current generation Scorpio in order to provide better interior space, however with a reduced height in order to reduce body roll. Going by the spy shots, it is clear that the all-new Scorpio will have a completely new design, which will still remain true to the Scorpio design language, while also retaining the butch stance, the stepped roof design and the long roof rails. The front fascia will be completely different to that seen on the current generation Scorpio, featuring an all-new grille similar to that seen on the Mahindra Alturas G4 and all-new dual-barrel projector headlamps with a signature design LED DRLs located around the fog lamps. Being a Scorpio, this new model will also have muscular wheel arches while also having a strong shoulder line on the sides and the signature kink in the window line starting from the C-pillar. The rear design is also expected to be very unique, featuring a side-swinging boot door and all-new LED tail lamps. It is also clear that the lower spec models of the new Scorpio will feature 16-inch steel wheels, with the higher spec variants getting 17-inch alloy wheels. And yes, it is also clear that the new Scorpio will get all-wheel disc brakes as standard. Just like the exterior, the interior of the new Scorpio will also be brand new with a square and edgy design layout of the dashboard, while also being loaded with features on the top spec models. With the increased dimensions and wheelbase, the all-new Scorpio is expected to be hugely spacious than the current generation model. And just like the current generation model, the all-new Scorpio will also be available with two seating configuration options, namely the standard 7-seater with a bench seat for the middle row and the 6-seater with individual captain chairs for the second row. And going by the recent spy shots of the interior, we also have a clear idea on the features list on this new Scorpio. It is clear that this new Scorpio's top spec model will offer more features and equipment than the current generation XUV 500, including features like cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, leather upholstery, dual-zone automatic climate control, an 8-inch touchscreen system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, inbuilt navigation system, connected car technology using the Mahindra BlueSense app, a color TFT instrument cluster display, multiple USB charging points, and interior ambient mood lighting. The spy shots also clarify that this new Scorpio will also offer an electric sunroof on the top spec variants, and it is also likely that this new Scorpio's top spec variants will also get a power driver seat. The rear seats will also offer individual AC vents along with a separate fan speed control for the third row. Unlike the current generation model, the new Scorpio will also offer more safety features, including smart key access and push button start, all 4 disc brakes with ABS, EBD, ESP, traction control, hill hold, rollover mitigation and brake assist, while the top spec variants will also offer 6 airbags along with a reverse parking camera. Coming to the powertrains, the all-new Scorpio will feature the very same 2.2-litre M-Hawk 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, which is likely to produce 156 PS of maximum power and 360 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The petrol engine, on the other hand, will be the very same 2-litre M-Stallion TGDI turbo petrol engine from the Mahindra Thar, producing 150 PS of maximum power and 300 Nm of maximum torque through the very same 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Going by the spy shots, it is also clear that the top spec variants of the Mahindra Scorpio will also offer an electronic 4-wheel drive system with 4-wheel drive low, 4-wheel drive high and 2-wheel drive high modes. Though the all-new Scorpio is almost ready for launch, an official launch has been postponed to early next year due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation in India. When launched early next year, the new Mahindra Scorpio could compete against the likes of the Tata Safari and the MG Hector Plus. However, it is worthy to be noted that the Scorpio is the only rear-wheel drive body-on-frame SUV in this price segment and category. Stay tuned for further updates on this all-new Mahindra Scorpio SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.